Time is precious. Let's jump in. Steps on your screen. In the first step, open settings. Later, go to Face ID and passcode. Later, press change passcode. In the next step, open settings. Then select Apple ID. Then click on iCloud. In the next step, launch your web browser. Now visit iCloud site. Now log in using Apple ID. In the next step, choose Find iPhone. After that, tap on all devices. After that, select your iPad. In the next step, press Erase iPad. Then approve your action. Then wait until the process is done. You are good to go.